Hello, I'm Louise Pennington and I work in the primary maths team at Oxford University Press. I'm going to talk you through what's included in the Numicon Key Stage 2 Mastery Manipulatives Table Pack. If you're not familiar with it, Numicon is a maths programme that's based on a concrete pictorial abstract approach, developing procedural fluency by using a visual practical base to develop conceptual understanding and fluent recall. This Key Stage 2 pack is suitable for use with ages 7 to 11, that's years 3 to 6 or P4 to 7 if you're in Scotland. It provides you with enough apparatus for a table of 6 children working together, using structured materials to support mathematical conversation and to deepen their understanding of procedural fluency. This kit contains essential manipulatives to support mastery teaching, whatever your existing scheme, or it can be used as part of the complete Numicon programme, where you would use this pack alongside the Numicon Number, Pattern and Calculating and Geometry, Measurement and Statistics Teaching Resource Handbooks to teach mathematics. Let's take a look at what's inside the Numicon Key Stage 2 Mastery Manipulatives Table Pack. Numicon uses structured materials like the Numicon shapes and the number rods to explore and support communicating about number relationships. These offer a tactile and visual structured illustration of number ideas that help children to reason mathematically using spoken language alongside the concrete and pictorial representations to explain and justify. In this pack we have a box of 80 Numicon shapes, which are an integral part of teaching with Numicon. We also have a pack of additional 10 shapes and 1 shapes, which can be used for place value and decimals. The rods are used to support children's understanding of length, perimeter, area and fractions, for example, and can be used with this 1 to 100 number rod track. The decade sections clip together into a metre-long track, and it can be separated back out easily into sections and arranged in an array. This is useful for supporting children in their measurement work, as well as for things like place value, partitioning and calculation. And finally, you get these baseboard laminates. They can be used with the Numicon shapes for number and pattern investigations, things like transformations, symmetry and to introduce coordinates. The orange side is a decimal baseboard laminate, which can be used to help children explore decimal numbers by offering a possible representation of an expanded one shape. That's an overview of what you'll get in the Numicon Key Stage 2 Mastery Manipulatives Table Pack. If you want to find out more, including tips on how to get the best out of the manipulatives to deepen understanding, you can visit our website or get in touch with your OUP educational consultant to order the pack. See the details on the screen now.